Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a deep fat fryer from Royal Catering. So a device, designed for professional use, and it's perfect for catering companies, restaurants, food trucks, bistros. It's a true all-rounder really. First of all, it's just like the middle size for everything. It has quite a big chamber. It has a 17-liter capacity with 11 liters of operational capacity of oil. In order to check how much oil you need, there's markings on the side of the wall for lowest and highest level of oil. From my point, just one advice, always to regularly check the level, just to make sure it's in the optimal position. When it goes below the minimum level, the heating device, the heating element may overheat. It will trip the safety, and you'll have to wait for the device to cool down and to reset it. Talking about the reset, in this machine, it's a really cool feature. The reset button is up front. Normally, it's somewhere in the back of the machine, so resetting this fryer is really easy. But alright, back to the heating element. The heating element is slightly off the bottom of the main oil tank, and it creates a so-called cold zone. What it means is the oil underneath the heating element is slightly cooler than the rest above, which causes that whatever falls outside of the basket lands on the bottom of the tank. It will not burn and affect the oil, the flavor and the smell, and of course it will extend the longevity of your frying oil. After frying, of course, it's time for cleaning. And let's talk about that for a second. The heating element, you can lift it out, drain the tank. You have a very conveniently placed tap there. In the set also included, there's this little pipe there to direct the oil in the proper direction, whatever you need it. Just rinse it out with some soapy water. Just clean it with, dry it with some paper towel or a cloth. Make sure it's really dry before you refill it. And there's another really cool feature, namely you can lift the heating element upwards and it would lock itself there in this position, so the oil will drip down in the main oil tank, whilst you can fish out whatever you need to fish out if something's fallen in, but there's no need to change the whole container. Alright, so let's lift it and put it back in very gently. And now to the heating element. This is actually a very nice and efficient heating element. Mechanism. It has a power of 3,000 watts, which is for this capacity of oil more than enough. It will heat up really quickly. And in order to heat it up, there's this temperature dial, which doubles as an on and off switch. So when you bring it down, it is off. When you set it up, there's two indicator lines that indicate that the power is on and the device is heating, just like so. When the device reaches the desired temperature, it will hold it due to the automated temperature control. All over stainless steel construction, so very nice looks to it, nice polish, and it presents itself rather good wherever you put it. In the set you also get a basket. I loaded it full with chicken nuggets to show you the device in action, and also a lid. This particular lid, it's been thought as a splash cover, but from my personal experience, when you put it on a hot device, when you're frying, water will condensate on the bottom of the lid, and it will drip down into your oil, which causes splashes again. So I always use it when a device is already cooled down as a protection from dust or dirt or whatever may fall in over the night when it's waiting for the next day service. Alright, I already preheated my oil, so it's ready for some frying. Let's dip the chicken nuggets in there. There should be just enough oil to cover your produce in order to achieve uniform results. And while it is cooking, let me just quickly emphasize all the main components. So, starting from the beginning, you have 17-liter capacity with 11 liters operational capacity of oil, and this is how much oil you need. You have stainless steel construction all over, which is really easy to clean and to keep it in a proper shape in your, let's say, open restaurant. You have this removable heating element with a cold zone underneath it. Very simple operation, and it's very efficient due to the power of 3000 watts. In the set, a basket and a lid. If you're looking to equip your kitchen with a deep fat fryer, this will be definitely a good choice. But just have a look at the website. There's a number of deep fat fryers on offer with different sizes, different parameters. So you will most definitely find that the one that you need for your business. This, however, comes with a 3-year warranty. And the producer made sure it will stay safe on a journey to your place by packing it in a really sturdy cardboard box, like really thick cardboard with lots of packaging material in it for safe transport. And also inside you will find this booklet. This is the instruction manual. I cannot stress enough how important that is. Make sure you read it before you use the device the first time. There's a lot of information on how to prepare the device for its first use, how to maintain it so it doesn't break, also some conditions of your warranty. So just make sure you have a read before you start. All right, so that's about it if it comes to the fryer. My chicken nuggets are ready, nice and golden brown, ready to serve to your customers. So that's what the device does. Alrighty, so just remember, I'm your hands-on expert here on site to test the equipment. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll try to answer. I thank you guys very much for watching and I'll see you next time.